Welcome to an Investor Spotlight series. I am Stephanie Isom of the Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce, and with me today I have Clear Results Glass of Mountain Home. Hello, boys.
Hi.
Hello.
I'll let you introduce yourselves.
I'm Eric Domagalski. I kind of do the administrative side of things. I went to the University of Arkansas and got a degree in business there, and so that's kind of my area of expertise.
Okay. All right.
I'm Shawn Roberts. I'm the operations manager at Clear Results Glass. I kind of take care of the labor side of things back in the shop and that kind of stuff.
Okay. All right. Great. So tell me a little bit about your business. How long have you been to Mountain Home? Where are you located? All of that good information.
Oh, well, we both grew up here.
Okay.
We both went to school here, Mountain Home, alumni here. We do residential, little commercial, and then automotive glass.
Okay.
And we can custom cut glass. We can also do shower doors, mirrors, that kind of stuff.
Full service glass shop, pretty much.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah, so you have amazing photos on your Facebook page. You show great photos of houses or vehicles, even side mirrors of vehicles. So tell us about that business a little bit.
On the automotive side, yeah,
sure.
that was actually the business we didn't initially tend to get out into. We was the residential side of things is where we initially started to, and then when we were just getting started, everybody we would talk to,
It's high demand.
yeah,
Everybody
they just
was
said
looking
like
for it.
they had asked, "Do you do windshields?"
Okay.
And the first answers were like, "No." And then it was like, "Maybe eventually," and then pretty quickly it was like, "Well, we just need to probably start this business because it's just such a big need for it."
So if someone has a cracked windshield and it's beyond repair, then they come to you?
They could come to us for either. We can also do rock chip repair.
Oh, okay. That's
usually,
good to know.
yeah, usually the general rule of thumb is if it's about much bigger than a quarter. I'll attempt bigger than that, but it's like what I tell them, I can't guarantee it's going to work. It's one of those, but it gets too big, then yeah, you got to have a replacement. But we can do either or.
Okay. So tell me a little bit about the residential side of your business.
Okay, so yeah, we could do full window replacements, or if you just need the glass in them, we can take out just the glass. We can custom cut glass. We can custom cut mirror. And we can also do full shower enclosures, like particularly with the glass and the hardware and stuff like that.
So tell me a little bit about this new process you have of wood carving or wood etching, glass etching.
We got a new laser engraving machine. It's a pretty custom machine. You see here a couple examples here. You can cut out coaster size all the way up to, I think the machine we have does about a 17 by 17 inch cut. So pretty much any shape you want, any image you want. It will engrave into certain metal. It'll cut in and engrave wood, leather, so you can do, on a wallet for a Christmas present or something like that. We've had people ask about engraving into cutting boards, into kegs for weddings. Pretty custom, pretty much anything you want. Pretty cool new avenue we're trying to get into. So
okay, so tell me what your hours are.
8 to 5, Monday through Friday. We're on Facebook and Instagram. admin@clearresultsglass.com is our email address. You can email me there. I check that frequently, at least during the week anyway.
Phone number 870-321-1098.
Perfect.
www.clearresultsglass.com. We are about 2.3 miles east of Walmart at 5051 Highway 62 East.
All right. Well, we appreciate you. We appreciate you as chamber members, and we appreciate you doing this Investor Spotlight for us today.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much.
You guys.
Thanks.